Today's topic is proof of theorem SSS congruence rule. Theorem 7.4. Statement of the theorem SSS congruence rule. If three sides of one triangle are equal to the three sides of another triangle, then the two triangles are congruent. Consider two triangles, triangle PQR and XYZ, such that PQ is equal to XY, QR is equal to YZ, and PR is equal to XZ. Now we have given SSS means side, 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 and in statement given that if three sides of one triangle are equal to the three sides of another triangle. So here one triangle is PQR and another triangle is XYZ. Sides of triangle PQR are PQ, QR and PR, and sides of triangle XYZ, XY, YZ and XZ. And so in statement given that PQ is equal to XY, QR is equal to YZ and PR is equal to XZ. We have to prove triangle PQR and triangle XYZ are congruent. Construction. Draw XW intersecting YZ, join YW such that angle WYZ is equal to angle PQR and WY is equal to PQ. Also join WZ. Proof. In triangle PQR and triangle WYZ, PQ is equal to WY by construction. Angle PQR is equal to angle WYZ by construction. QR is equal to YZ given. So triangle PQR and triangle WYZ are congruent by SAS rule. By CP/CT, angle W is equal to angle P, equation number 1. In triangle XYW, since PQ is equal to WY by construction and PQ is equal to XY given, WY is equal to XY. Angle 1 is equal to angle 2, equation number 2. Angles opposite to equal sides are equal. Similarly, we can prove angle 3 is equal to angle 4, equation number 3. Adding 2 and 3, we get angle 1 plus angle 3 is equal to angle 2 plus angle 4, or angle X is equal to angle W. From 1, angle W is equal to angle P. Therefore, angle P is equal to angle X. That is equation number 4. Now, in triangle PQR and triangle XYZ, PQ is equal to XY given, angle P is equal to angle X from 4, equation number 4. PR is equal to XZ given. So, by SAS, triangle PQR and triangle XYZ are congruent proved. Thank you.